get you some. Oh, yeah. Mate, it's lucky she can cook. Wow!
G'day lovelies, welcome back. Alrighty, I have plenty of puff pastry in the freezer and I have plenty of blueberries and raspberries in the freezer. So today we're going to make a blueberry flour, which is a recipe straight off of the front of the Pampers puff pastry packet. And I thought what would be fun is today we'll do it exactly like that, and then on Wednesday night I might give a crack of doing my own. We need 2 sheets of frozen puff pastry thawed. We need to preheat our oven to 220 degrees Celsius. We need to grab out a baking tray with some baking paper. We need 100 grams of frozen blueberries, which works out to 1 cup. We need half a cup of raspberry jam. I've only got strawberry, so I've got strawberry. We need 1 tablespoon of raw sugar, or dimera sugar if you've got it. And we need 1 egg whisk. Now I grab our half a cup of jam and we want to put it in with our blueberries and we want to mix them in together. I've just found the biggest rim bowl I've got. Basically we want to go to the sides to the edge. So we want to just really cut off the corners, I'm guessing. Did I mention how rough as guts I am with pastry? Alright, I'm going to put the other one on top and just do the indent through the plastic and they won't stick together. And then I'm going to cut that one as well. So we want to get our first circle and put it on our baking tray with our baking paper. Now we want to get our blueberries and jam mix, and we want to leave a 3 centimetre edge. Like you see, that's probably bigger than 3 centimetre, but you got that. Okay, now we want to get our next piece. Peel it off. I like to whack the bottom on the top because it sticks more, I reckon. Try and line it up as best we can. Okay, then we want to go around, get whatever that is off, and we want to push down the edges. Alright, so we need a 4 centimetre glass, but I've only got like a 6, one of my large shot glasses. Alright, so we just try and get that in the centre and press it in. So basically a normal size shot glass would probably be close to it. Okay, once we've stuck that in the middle roughly, we want to get a pair of scissors and we want to cut it into 16. And we just want to go up to the glass. So I'm just going to go straight across half. Sort of try and get it evenish. And the other way. So cut each quarter into 4. Okay, now we want to get the pieces and we just want to twist them once apparently. Alright, now with a pastry brush, or if you haven't got one, just use your fingertips. We want to coat it in the egg. Once we've done that, we want to sprinkle our raw sugar all over it. As soon as our oven's up to temperature, we bang it in there. Oh my god, mate, it smells amazing in here. Alright, on the directions it says 25 minutes, but in my electric oven it's been 18. Oh god, that smells amazing. Now I can tell you, the picture on the front of the Pampers doesn't look like that. It doesn't have all the extra in there, that's for sure. Alright, so I'm just going to leave it sit there for 5 minutes to cool down a bit, and I think I might scrape it off of that and put it on a clean one. There you have it, lovely, just like that. A cracking little dessert. I would say 4 nice big stirs with ice cream. So yeah, apparently we just pull them off. Put them on in our bowls with our ice cream and Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Have yourselves an awesome night. And I'll see you on Wednesday night for Aussie Girls version. Toodles!